If you're not doing this right now, you're already behind. Nope, it's not stocks, crypto, or some shady guru with a Lamborghini rental. So let's cut the crap. If you're not cashing in on faceless content right now, you might as well be faxing your resume to Blockbuster. We're not talking about playing the stock market, chasing crypto unicorns, or enrolling in another secret millionaire formula from a guy who films videos in his mom's garage. Here's what's actually blowing up online: faceless content. That's right, digital assets you create once, and it works for you while you do literally anything else. No ring lights, no awkward, "Hey guys, what's up?" intros on your vids, and definitely no need to be the next TikTok dance sensation. Imagine running YouTube channels where your face stays as hidden as your high school diary, ebooks and other digital stuff that somehow exist without you pulling all-nighters and inhaling coffee. Videos that appear out of thin air while you're busy losing yet another argument with your toaster. Meanwhile, people you've never heard of, some who struggle to reset their Wi-Fi, are making money in their sleep. No influencer drama, no viral hashtag hustles. Just faceless content grinding away while you're still deciding if Comic Sans is a bold branding move. And here's where it gets spicy. Most people will hear this, give a knowing nod, and then do absolutely nothing. They'll scroll on, still stuck in analysis paralysis, and by next month watch their neighbor's nephew buy a jet ski, funded entirely by faceless PDFs. Trust me, it's not about being perfect. It's about having the guts to start before you've overthought it into oblivion. And I'll be honest, I didn't invent some secret system or spend years meditating with a yak in the Himalayas for this. I literally stumbled across something called the stupidly simple faceless content toolkit. No, seriously, it landed in my lap, and it's so straightforward I'd feel like a total a-hole if I kept it to myself. It's 100% free for now. Yep, for real, $0, but probably not forever. It's just a bunch of tools, prompts, and checklists that make getting started so easy. You'll wonder why you spent so long watching all those how to make money online videos and wasting your fucking time with those stupid survey sites and other bullshit. So, here's your fork in the road. Option A, grab the free toolkit, take action, and let faceless content finally do the heavy lifting for you. Option B, keep scrolling. Keep thinking about it. Keep letting other people cash in while you perfect your vision board and Google how to start passive income for beginners. Totally your call. Just don't message me in 6 months asking how to catch up when your neighbor's cat is already pulling in more passive income than you. Remember, the worst thing you can do is keep waiting for the right time. Spoiler alert, it's right now.